Okay guys, welcome back to my shop. Of course, thank you for watching my videos and thank you for pressing on advertising because I need fucking new camera and you are pressing not that much that I'm expecting. Okay, but now on the table is a Milwaukee M18 impact driver. Okay, it's okay. We can see that the winding from the armature is falling out. Some time ago I was seeing the smoke out there, so okay. Why not doing it, motherfucker? Okay, so definitely we need new armature. Okay, so it's still something inside. I will try to disassemble it and check what's more wrong with it, or maybe it's not wrong. Okay, I hate the Milwaukee screws. Okay, because they have the fucking cap and you need a key with a hole. Of course, not for all Milwaukee tools. So now I have the tank tools key for that. So, but of course it's pissing me off. Okay, this one is too big. So sorry, we'll use T10. You can see the okay. This no part number. So okay. So I will unscrew it with my hand. I really hate it because I have the cordless drill. Why must I screw with my hand? Okay. Still, I should check it. We need to disassemble it. Okay, if this thing happened with your drill, it can be fall that some dirt going into the here because it's a really big holes here, so it can fall big things. Sorry. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, maybe the bit will go in. Yeah, now it goes. So for some screws it goes in, for some no. Okay, just getting the housing. Yeah, we can see that the fan from the armatures all go out. Of course, you can see that the carbon brushes is almost ended. So definitely we need a new armature because the bends come with armature. Okay, the field looks good, it's strong enough. So you can see the damage here. Of course, it's not a big problem. The armature can work, but still, it will heat on heavy duty and overheat, of course. Okay, so we need a new carbon brushes. They come with all plate. Now it's iron it. So okay, just fuck it. So now we have the gear, the hammer mechanism. From the moving, I can feel that it's not a lot of grease out there. Okay, I will try to unscrew it with the simple pliers. Okay, I'm strong, but not strong enough. Okay, I will put it in the vise. That will be very, very fast. Okay, or maybe not. Okay, now don't forget that it's counter and fade, I think. Okay, so it's turns off in a different direction. Okay, now we have a hammer here. The ball, okay, you can see that almost no grease here. That's not very good. Of course we will put some grease here. Okay, so you need to check the corner. Okay, so sorry, back to the video. Okay, what I was telling about. So yeah, Milwaukee is a piece of shit. It's not a tool, just a toy. Okay, something like that, I think. Okay. So, okay, fuck, spring here. Okay, I don't know where it was. Okay, so now about the ice, of course, we need to check it's moving or not. So now I think it's moving. Okay, I think I was telling that we need to check the corners here. Now they are good, so we are lucky. Okay, now we need to remove the assy. Before doing that, okay, I will put some metal part, the joke unit. Okay, so it's a springing here. We need to remove it. Then the flat washer and the spring will pop out. Okay, we'll try to do that. Of course, try to hold everything with your finger because you don't want to spring or flat washer pop into your eye, or somewhere you can find it. Okay. Okay, I will try the pliers, maybe they will fit here. Okay, strange, but they fit. Okay, now I'm afraid to not lose everything here. So, okay, the spring coming out. So, it's a ring spring, flat washer, the spring, the sleeve, and 2 balls. I will take them out of the magnet, I think. Okay, one is out, and the second one is out. Okay, so it's the 2 balls. I'm collecting them with the field or joke unit. Okay, so what we have here, we have the anvil. Of course, it needs a little bit cleaning here. And always you need to check the part where it's moving in a housing. Okay, this is the part. Now it looks almost good. Sometimes it scratches here and something similar, so it starts to bubble when working. That's not very good feeling. Of course, uncomfortable. Okay, then we need to check the corners of this one. You can see that some have some slight worn signs, but it's not a problem. Okay, the corners looks good. So for this one, we need to paint it to the green, to the Makita color, because I love Makita. Okay, but for the reel, we need new armature because of the fun here. We need new carbon brushes. And I don't know, the anvil will stay old. So, okay, that's all, folks. Thank you for watching. That was a Makita M18 impact driver. And we'll be back to the video when I will assemble it. Of course, subscribe to my channel to not miss that. Or you can use search on my videos. Okay, so for now, thank you for watching and see you in my next videos. Bye.